It's really you on my mind. It's really you on my mind. It's really you.
What's up, you guys? This is your girl Chanel Monet. Your girl forgot to record an intro for the video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and the Amrezy Highlighter. If you want to know my thoughts on the palette, keep on watching. Okay, so before we start on the eye look, let's kind of go in depth and kind of see what the Soft Glam is all about. Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette is an everyday to night palette with 14 shades including essential matte and glam shimmers. So it's full pigment, easy to blend formula, 14 shades including the ultra matte, duochrome, and metallic finishes, luxe packaging with large mirror. So then you see all the really pretty shades, all these really cute colors. It also comes with a double-sided brush, the blender brush, and a shadow brush. This brush is really cute. I might test it out. Strong emphasis on a might because I don't know. Just basically, I also have my Modern Renaissance palette and I got these both at the same time because I wanted to, one, get the Modern Renaissance palette after it's been out for ages and I didn't get it. And two, I wanted to compare the two. When I was comparing the two, I was like, hold up. Wait a minute. Pause, stop the music. Some of these shades look identical. Some of the shades that are in the Modern Renaissance are also in the Soft Glam. And then when I looked and I was looking at the names, okay, there's only 3. That's not too bad. So Tempera, Burnt Orange, and Cypress Umber are also in the Modern Renaissance palette. I don't get it. I would have appreciated if it was different shades. I don't need the same shadows in 2 completely different palettes, especially like these are sister palettes. You know what I mean? Even if you just change the undertone slightly and switch the name, I would be cool. I'd be like, alright, well cool, you switched the undertone. I paid for 2 palettes with the same shade. You know what I'm saying? But that's just me. And it's something really simple. It really doesn't matter. But so with this palette today, I'm thinking there's this look that I've seen Nikki tutorials do, an intense vibrant look, and they did it with the KKW palette, and they did a pop of blue on the lower lash line. I like the concept of that. I liked how intense it was, how vibrant it was. I was wondering if I could recreate it with this palette. So we're gonna do that. But I wanna do a pop of blue on the lower lash line and a blue, vibrant blue liquid liner. So we're gonna try, attempt. Let's come a little closer, shall we? I feel like we're pretty close, don't you? I'm gonna go ahead and just take the brush that comes into the palette. I'm going to Sienna first. My cousin's name is Sienna. The color is intense, man. Kickback's not too bad. Like, we're gonna blend out the edges later. This is gonna look mad crazy at first. Now we're gonna go in with mulberry, but that's really cool. Oh, that pigment though. I really was sleeping. I was really slumped on this palette. I'm gonna take orange soda. I'm just gonna take this Wet n Wild brush and I'm gonna just try to clean up the edges a little bit. That didn't do anything. So we're gonna take this Morphe MB23 brush. I dipped into Sienna just a little bit. I'm like so happy to use this color, Sienna. Love you, Nana, if you watch this. Really like it. Now I'm going back in with mulberry. I'm gonna deepen that up a little bit more. And their brush is really good. It works really well. The brush that comes with the palette. I wasn't gonna use it at first. Text me while I'm filming, you get ignored. I'm not really kidding. I'm really not kidding. You really get ignored until I'm done with my video. Except for my mama. I will only respond to my mama. I'll respond to Trey too. If Lynette calls, I answer. Let her know I have to go. And then call her back after I'm done filming. Level, to be honest. If Lynette called my phone right now, I would answer. Just so you could see how entertaining Lynette is. Because she is really funny. She's crazy. Lynette is crazy, but she's really funny. I think I'm gonna do a halo. Now we're gonna go and flip the brush to that flat side, and we're gonna go into, Cypress Umber. I don't want to go towards the edges too much with this one, but we want some depth because when we cut our crease, it'll definitely be there. You'll definitely see it. It's cool because I could take this palette with this brush, and I would be Gucci. I would be fine. Now we're gonna go in with Noir. Oh, that is a lot. And it's so pigmented, I don't have to dip back in. It's that intense over here, you guys. I'm so hyped because this palette is so bomb. Oh my god. Okay, so sorry. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut our crease. Going in with a flat, fluffy brush, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Fairy right on the mid of my lid. This with bronze. I'm scared. I'm scared because I know this is about to be fire and I'm not ready. No, why y'all do the kids like that, Anastasia? Man, look how great this palette is. Like, I'm so happy my money didn't go to waste. Nothing hurts more than your money going to waste towards a janky palette. Glistening for my brow bone highlight. This is giving me vibes I didn't even know I wanted. The NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in Vivid Sapphire. I love this color. I'm gonna go in to my Urban Decay Electric palette. I think they discontinued this though, or it was limited edition, I don't know. But this color, Chaos, is my favorite color of all time. Lancome art liner, just to kind of write very close to the waterline, just for when I put on my falsies. And for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna take the Jordana Easy eyeliner for eyes in Blue Divine, a trick my mom taught me when I was younger. You get a lighter, you light your eyeliner, let it cool down, put on your waterline to get more pigment. But I'm really bad with lighters, so don't try this at home, kids. Blue eyeshadow from that Urban Decay palette, the Chaos. Pat that on top. Blend out the edges with any brush. I just grabbed a random blending brush just to blend out these edges. So I'm gonna go in with these Eyelure Luxe Silk Radiant Silk Effect lashes. Now guys, we're gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. This highlighter is really pretty. It reminds me of like sand or like sheets, like waves and everything. It's super gorgeous. It's got golden metallic reflex in it. Let's go ahead and go look at the description though. I feel like the company's description of the product is very helpful, especially if you're shopping online, but sometimes it's incorrect. Okay, so the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter, it's $28, okay? Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a limited edition illuminating powder with an ultra smooth formula and radiant finish. A lot of people had like a concern about if this highlighter was gonna look good on their skin tone or darker skinned women. I'm not too concerned. I feel like it's gonna look really pretty. That's what I feel like in my soul. Let me go ahead and take this off. So basically, people are worried. I've heard a couple of people, even some friends of mine, who have said that they're worried that this highlighter is not going to be right for their skin tone if they have deeper complexions. But I think it'll be okay. I feel like it has the right amount of golden undertones, and if anything, use a gold undertone. If you're deeper, use a gold highlighter with a golden undertone, or a shadow with a golden undertone, and then just top this over top. Okay, that's pretty. That's pretty. It really does look like a second skin, like a glowy skin-like finish. Oh my gosh. Sorry, so sorry. Oh wow, how pretty. This doesn't need to be limited edition. This needs to be there forever. You guys have no right making this a limited edition. This needs to be a permanent. This needs to be here for the rest of my life. Look at that. What are you guys thinking? Limited edition for how long? For who? Why is this so pretty? Money well spent. Money well spent. Money well spent. Money well spent. Like the palette, the eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. The highlight is creamy. It's buttery. It goes onto the skin so softly. It's so gorgeous. It just gives you just the perfect glow. My brow bone highlight's already in tint, but let me go ahead and go in. This is probably going to be my go-to highlighter from now on. Since, you know, we have the theme, you know, eyes, highlight is Anastasia, blush is Anastasia, I want to go in with a lippy by Anastasia. So we're going to go in with the liquid lipstick in the shade Malt. So that's pretty. I'm going to let that dry down. And then I'm going to go in. When I bought my Amrezy highlighter and my soft glam palette and my cutesy stuff, I got this cute little Kirsten lip gloss. I'm going to be setting with the NYX Dewy Finish. Let's do my handy dandy. It's like super messy though because it has foundation all over it because I've been using it. Let's wet our face a little bit and then go back into our Amrezy highlighter and see if that makes it even more intense. I'm scared. Okay, we're going to go in with the Mario Badescu facial spray. Okay. Oh! Alrighty, you guys, to give my final thoughts on the Soft Glam and the Amrezy highlighter on these, I'll start one by one. So I'll start with the palette. Anastasia, I don't know who you think you are. I don't know what your goal was when making this palette, what your mission was, but this palette is a bomb. This palette is fire. This palette is life, love, and happiness in one. This palette is a dream. A little bit of kickback. It's nothing. It's nothing compared to Subculture. It is beautiful, fully pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. I will say with this palette, this is very buildable, but you can get a lot of pigment really fast, and that might be scary to some people. Really, really pretty. I'm excited to make more looks. Like, I'm looking at like rose pink, sultry, dusty rose. I'm looking at those colors and I'm like, it's already a vibe because it's just that amazing. This is a palette that I would definitely take with me on trips. I would definitely take this for like makeup applications, anyone's prom makeup, anything like that. I would definitely take this palette as a go-to. The brush that is in the palette, I love that brush. That little brush, that could go with me places. Really, truly it could. And I like that it's in the palette, so you can travel with it on the go. The palette's not huge, so it's the perfect palette. Keep it in my purse in case I need to do something. I love this. There's so much pigment in this palette. All the shadows did exactly what I wanted them to do. There was no patchiness. The shadows didn't skip when I was blending. It's magnificent. Matter of fact, I don't think I told you, the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, I'm sorry I didn't say it earlier, it's $42. $42, and it's worth every single penny. It's that good. I'm not kidding. Blending these eyeshadows out was so effortless. I definitely recommend this palette to anyone who wants a great palette that's good for on the go, but also a good palette that you can keep at home. This is literally, you could do an everyday look and then migrate to a night look with this palette. You just really have to be careful because it's that pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. It's really wonderful. Now, this Amrezy highlighter, Anastasia Amrezy girl, buttery, velvety, silk. I look like my skin looks wet. I look glowy. I look dewy. I look like a snack. This highlighter snatched my edges, then grew my edges back, and then slicked them for me. And it doesn't look chalky, it doesn't look cakey. The more you put on, it just gets more intense. These two are a must. Like, I'm going to take these with me. I'm going on a trip soon, and I'm taking these two with me, no doubt. I'm taking my highlighter. What do you think about the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette and the highlighter? Do you guys like it? Have you tried it out? If you recreate this look, please tag me. Yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Comment down below any looks you want. Like and share this video to your friends and family. And please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate you so much. Love you so much. I'll see you guys next time.